Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. So, I hope you guys are having a wonderful, beautiful, amazing, and blessed day. So, guys, I'm currently back in Georgia, and I will let you guys know what's going on with that and everything that took place and the reason why I had to come back home. But right now, I am standing in the car dealership with my son because he is looking for another vehicle. So he's inside speaking with someone right now, but I'm going to take you guys inside because I came across a vehicle that I am loving and I'm thinking about purchasing myself. Let's head on inside and see this beautiful car. Oh my God, look at this. Nice. Oh, this one has a beautiful pink interior as well. Look at that, y'all.
Okay. Is there a certain payment you're chasing because of that, or like where'd you come up with that number? Gotcha. Okay. What kind of payment are you looking for?
Oh, you mean like monthly? 220, 230.
Okay, gotcha. How much money were you guys planning on putting down with us?
Is there a requirement on how much?
Just to hit that payment, because that's going to be tough to hit that payment. Because you'd be looking at like a $10,000 car to hit that $200-ish a month. So that's why I was asking, like, if you want to put some money down, that's going to help us get to that payment. But if not, we probably have to be a little bit more flexible with the payment. If you're looking at 15 to 20 grand, it's going to be a little bit more.
You speaking about those two vehicles out there,
No,
or just in general?
Just in general, because I may have something else. It's like that's why I like filling this out, because like I might have something else that's in the back, or it's on its way here, or maybe one of my sister's stores. It's exactly what you're looking for, but I don't really know until I ask these questions. You know what I mean?
Okay. And you told me you're staying in the 20 range, right?
Yeah. Like 2,000.
Okay. Let me ask you this: how many miles are too many miles on the used vehicle?
Anything over 25.
Okay. Do you like it?
Yes. I gotta get back to work ASAP.
And those kicks, it's super weird. It's like when you look at it, it looks like a smaller SUV, but when you get in it, it feels super roomy.
Yeah.
It's like an optical illusion. Like I don't know how they designed it, but when you get in, it feels like super roomy.
I know we're here for him, but I saw the price on that SUV over there, the pink inside. That's the base price to $35.
Which?
The one with the pink.
Pink? Yeah.
Yes. Okay. With the color.
Pretty sure that's with the color. 99% sure that's with the color. I have to double check, but I'm pretty sure it is. Well, speaking of colors, I know we looked at the red one and the white one. Is there anything? Is that your first choice is red or white, or did you have another one? Like, yeah, this color, like that's exactly what I want.
Like
Black, okay. What about your second choice?
Anything with a dark tan on it.
Okay.
There's one that's regular.
Let's come back and see. You already pre-approved Google.
Don't mess it up.
Well, listen, I would be working in the area. I wouldn't be doing all of what you do. That car is out. Yeah. It's
I don't even think they're gonna let you in.
Mhm.
I don't even think they'll let you in. How do they even get these cars in here?
They probably got to open, probably through there. I don't know. So guys, like I said, we are here in the Nissan dealership with my son purchasing a new car for the first time, y'all. I'm so excited. I'm so happy for him.
Second car,
Yeah, but you didn't have to do this process. You purchased it from someone. So now you're learning and getting experience on how to do this, how to finagle it, how to haggle prices, you know. And it's good that you know and understand beneath your means. You don't want to get yourself in a crunch because you're still paying student loan and other bills. That looks like a grayish lavender mix, right? Look at this car, y'all. The color of this car is beautiful. That is amazing. Oh my God. I never thought about Nissan, but this is here. I have to come back and rethink this. Especially that white and pink. I am loving it. Excuse my hand, y'all. We're just waiting for the gentleman to come back. I guess he went to go run some numbers, but we are not going to run his credit right now until he makes his final decision.
I'm gonna go grab the keys to the white one.
Okay.
Alfonso said we'll probably be closer to what you're trying to do on the white one than we will the red one. So I'm gonna go get the keys and I'll pull it up for you, okay?
Wonderful. Thank you.
Yeah, of course.
It's your first experience? Excuse me. Am I able to open the car door? Will something go off? Because I want to look inside that vehicle. Yeah. Okay. Come on, guys. Let's check out this car again. I'm trying not to make a purchase today either. Let's see. Oh my God, that's so pretty. At this pink. Oh my God, I am loving this. This is the back seat. It's kind of small and tight inside, but oh man, I love this. Beautiful, nice and compact. Look at the screen, y'all. Look at that screen over there. Beautiful. Oh my God, I am loving this. Here is the price. me your phone. Let me show your sister that car.
You want me to call her?
Yeah, FaceTime her.
Your hair color don't look so bad, huh?
No, it fits you. Because you got light hair anyway. I found my next car. How you turn this around? Hold on. Yes. I know, but look, check this out. Look, I'm recording his moment. Oh, look, I'm talking to my phone like she's on it.
Yeah, you're right. I got you up front over here.
All right, we're heading out to go see baby boy's car. One that he might possibly take anyway. Oh, that's a nice sized truck. Nice sized trunk.
Buys you time to get out of the vehicle. Everything up here is super easily accessible if you need to work on it. I'm looking at it. You got an insulated battery right here. It's going to help it keep it flat when it's super cold and when it's super hot. But everything up here is designed so if you are in that front end collision, it's designed to go downward rather than go through the firewall. got a couple features that I like to go over. So this one right here is my favorite feature to go over because that's when you come to the complete stop, it's going to turn the car off. It's the engine start stop button.
Yeah, my mom got that too.
Yeah, so you can turn that off. You've got your heated seat. I've got mine. You got high and low. And then you've got a heated steering wheel as well. And then right here, say that I'm super like cold natured and I've got mine turned up. Then when I get out of the car, you can hit sync and it'll go back to however you have the driver's side set up.
Gotcha.
All right. Cool. You want to take it for a little spin and see how it feels?
Just in the lot.
We'll take it out.
Now to see what we can find.
We still good on time too. Only like 12 something.
Go downtown. For what?
So we're still good on time.
Oh, yes, we are. That's because everything is right here. Whew, we should have left the door open since we're sitting right here.
You mean the window?
The window, yeah. All right, guys, we'll get back to you when we get to the Toyota dealership.